pause. Prior to ingesting another medication that may be harmful to your gut, allow me to introduce you to a revelation that will alter your perception of inflammation. A single item, potentially within reach in your kitchen, possesses the ability to reduce inflammation throughout your body in merely 7 days. Moreover, major pharmaceutical companies are keeping this information from you. Greetings, lovely individuals. Welcome back to my channel. If you are exhausted from waking up feeling utterly drained, if your joints ache, your skin breaks out, you experience bloating, fatigue, and a sense of hopelessness, then this video will be your guiding light. I understand your struggle all too well, as I have been in your shoes. 3 years ago, I was plagued by inflammation to the extent that even bending down to tie my shoelaces was excruciating. Although my doctor suggested steroids, an inner voice urged me to seek an alternative. It's that alternative I'm sharing with you today. The exact method that not only saved me but has helped hundreds of people improve their health naturally. If you are prepared to liberate yourself from chronic inflammation, regain your vitality, confidence, and zest for life, then hit that subscribe button now, because you do not want to miss what is to come. Here's a lesser-known fact. Inflammation is not your adversary. It is your body's call for assistance. Envision inflammation as a smoke alarm in your residence. The issue is not the alarm itself, but the underlying fire triggering it. For the majority facing chronic inflammation, that internal fire persists incessantly. What is truly intriguing is that most anti-inflammatory remedies are akin to removing the batteries from your smoke alarm while the fire rages on. Although the alarm ceases, the fire intensifies daily. The pertinent question is not, how can I halt inflammation, but rather, how can I extinguish the fire inciting it? This is where a remarkable component comes into play. But before delving into that, consider this. Have you observed that the previous generation rarely encountered the widespread chronic inflammation predicament prevalent today? They lacked modern supplements or costly treatments, but possessed forgotten ancient knowledge. Enter turmeric root, not the processed form found in supplements, but the authentic, unprocessed root. When prepared appropriately, it emerges as the most potent anti-inflammatory weapon globally. Research demonstrates that curcumin, the active element in turmeric, surpasses ibuprofen in inflammation reduction efficacy, devoid of detrimental side effects. What supplement manufacturers conceal is that 95% of turmeric supplements are ineffective due to poor absorption. It is akin to filling a leaky bucket. Thus, I will divulge the ancient preparation technique that boosts absorption by an astounding 2,000%. This method mirrors the practices of traditional healers in India spanning over 3,000 years. It necessitates merely 3 common kitchen ingredients. Before unveiling the preparation process, if you find this information valuable, kindly subscribe and enable notifications as I regularly share transformative content like this. Now, let's explore the step-by-step process that has guided countless individuals in reducing inflammation within 7 days. You will require 1-inch fresh turmeric root, not powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, crucial for absorption, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or any healthy fat, and 1 cup of warm water or plant-based milk. Grate the fresh turmeric root finely, bearing in mind its staining properties signifying authenticity. Warm the coconut oil until liquid, then add the grated turmeric and black pepper to activate the curcumin, enhancing bioavailability. Allow it to simmer, then add your chosen warm liquid. Consume this golden elixir on an empty stomach upon waking, as your body's absorption capacity is optimal at this time. Consistent timing is vital. Drink this concoction at the same time each morning for 7 consecutive days to signal your body's healing process effectively. Realize that transformation is gradual yet remarkable when adhered to diligently. Initial days may not exhibit noticeable changes, but trust the process. Subsequent days often bring improved sleep, enhanced energy, and mental clarity. As the week progresses, joint discomfort diminishes, enabling freer movement and reduced stiffness. Following this regimen, individuals commonly experience rejuvenation, heightened energy, and relief from persistent pain. Remember, this is not a swift fix, but a lifestyle adjustment. Success stories emerge from those who integrate this ritual daily for at least 30 days to witness profound changes. You might ponder how such a simple method wields such potent effects. Let's dissect the science. Chronic inflammation resembles a rampant wildfire within your body. Conventional approaches combat fire with fire. More chemicals, more medications. Contrastingly, our approach involves depriving the fire of its fuel. Curcumin intervenes by obstructing inflammatory enzyme production at the cellular level, akin to shutting off the gas supply fueling the flames. Piperine in black pepper acts as a key, facilitating curcumin's entry into cells for its therapeutic action. The healthy fat functions as a carrier, directing the components to the liver for detoxification. This transcends mere inflammation reduction. It entails reprogramming your body's immune response at a genetic level. Before rushing to your kitchen, learn from common errors that impede results. Avoid using turmeric powder over fresh root, as powder loses potency over time. Incorporate black pepper, as many overlook its significance. Timing matters. Consume this elixir on an empty stomach in the morning for optimal absorption. Consistency is key. Persist for 7 days as your body requires time to reach therapeutic levels. Commit to this regimen for just 7 days to reap future benefits. Join the multitude embarking on this healing journey by subscribing and becoming part of our wellness community. Dear kindred spirit, I understand the struggle of being confined in a body that resists you. The frustration, weariness, and the sense of having exhausted all options are all too familiar. Yet I also comprehend the bliss of awakening without pain, of enduring energy throughout the day, and of witnessing a revitalized self in the mirror. That remarkable transformation awaits you, within reach in your kitchen. Taking that initial step is all that's required. Here is what I urge you to do now. Firstly, click on the subscribe button and enable notifications to stay updated on our enriching content. Secondly, express your approval by liking this video, aiding in sharing this life-altering knowledge with more individuals. Thirdly, pass this along to a cherished one grappling with inflammation. Be the beacon of change in their life. Lastly, prepare your inaugural golden elixir promptly. Delay not until tomorrow or Monday. Your healing initiates today. Share your commitment to the 7-day challenge in the comment section below. Your dedication will be met with my unwavering support every step of the way. Remember, you are worthy of feeling extraordinary in your own skin. You merit awakening to vitality and happiness. It all commences with this singular, impactful decision. I eagerly anticipate connecting with you in the upcoming video, where I will reveal the 3 unsuspected culprits of inflammation affecting a majority. The revelation about the second one will astonish you. Until then, remain resplendent, and I look forward to our next encounter. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.